Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Benidorm Closing Marcus down here on the Avenida Mediterráneo. Let's see what's open. Grand China restaurant there. The air bathing place here. Yeah, my recommendation. Don't go there, don't use it. They are very rubbish. Yeah, I'll leave it at that. Now I'm not entirely too sure what to go on today's video, so it could be a mix-up. But yeah, just hope you enjoy it. Sit back, relax, and have some fun. While I'm here as well, I just thought I'd do a bit of a review on every delivery company, if you've heard of them. Yeah, we're still waiting for the parcel to be delivered by and been about 3 weeks now. Well, yeah, and the rest, as just said, still not here. After like emailing them, stuff like that, all I can really say is that it's most likely lost. So, yeah, don't know what's happened there, but I mean, how can a big parcel go from being not ready to be delivered, like waiting for transit from Alicante Airport, to disappearing? You know what, so but try just straight on. Or to gift shops down here as well, guys, if you are looking for a gift of your holiday. Great stuff. Number 2 bus does come down here, as well as the number 3, number 1 and number 10, I believe. So yeah, you can get quite a few buses down onto Med to do some sort of trips in and out of Benidorm. Yeah. Got Wonder Musician Club there. Quite a warm day now. Wind's died down a bit now, and it is pretty hot. And well, I've got to admit, the heat is taking its toll on me a bit. Like, it is sort of getting a bit too unbearable, sadly. Here you got what used to be the old start again. What used to be the old mini golf course and arcade. Now gonna be another sort of part of Benidorm's ever-growing concrete jungle. I mean, as you can see, gonna be quite a tall tower block. Yeah. My question is, do we honestly need more apartment blocks here in Benidorm? Well, it is quite the concrete jungle here in Benidorm. So that is what they're supposed to look like once I finish. It'll be good to see if they actually do look like that when they're finished. And well, I guess the reason they are sort of building them is because, of course, the mini golf course and arcade after sort of lockdown never really reopened. It just sort of stayed at a business bit dead, unloved, uncared for sort of vibe. So yeah, quite a shame really to see it gone, but at the end of the day, that's just life really. Carrying on down the Med. Lovely Costa's just a great place to go if you're wanting a drink or some food. And across the road is a fabulous Hotel Dom Pancho. Smashing hotel. And how not to ride a mobility scooter. Yeah, not meant to have kids on your lap. Ooh. I don't know, so go across then. Wow. I'm not too sure if you saw that, but the lassies just went past on a mobility scooter. Kids sat on their lap, but the lassies trying to drive it. I mean, if that ain't dangerous, I don't know what is. And I mean, it's a common thing really, you see in Benidorm. People misusing the scooters, people thinking they're on wacky races, they're on Top Gear, like whizzing about, all that, driving like nutters. Then you got people thinking it's a game of buckaroo. How many can I fit on the scooter? And some people who just sort of come over and think, well, I can walk perfectly fine. Not one with me, I'm not disabled or what. But you know what? I'm on bloody holiday, sod it, I'll get a scooter. Yeah, they're annoying as hell. I mean, mind you, there is the new sort of wall of like, you've got to be 55, I think, over 55, or disabled to have yan. Yeah, never really gets employed that wall. I think many scooter shops just tend to give scooters out for the money, for the hell of it, not really a care if you do actually need one. So I'm gonna love and leave you this. Smash the like, smash the subscribe. I'll see you soon.